What's up, developers and problem solvers? Rod checking in. Wanted to bring you guys another video today. And today we're going to talk about PHP in 2020. Is it a good idea or a bad idea? A lot of you guys are looking to get into programming, or you just start learning development and you're just trying to figure out which programming language to use. PHP come across a lot of you guys radar as far as just should you learn 2020. Rod is pretty old. I want to give you guys 3 reasons. Is it a good idea or a bad idea, and let you guys kind of figure that out. But guys, before we get started with this, I want you guys to check out my free development guide that gives you more insight about PHP and how to get started in your development career and make the money you want. Links are in the description box. Go ahead and sign up for that, guys, and I'll give you more details on how to get started. 7 easy steps. So go ahead and do that. So, number 1, guys, is PHP has been around for a long time, and traditionally if a programming language has been around for a long time, it means that it's probably out of date, got a lot of legacy features and functions that are not relevant to today. And yeah, in the past that was true, but you got other programs, other platforms or companies like WordPress who really took PHP and modernized it to the way where it's still relevant today. 25% online, guys, traffic goes to a PHP related site. 25%, that's huge. And WordPress is leading most of that, but you also got other websites and content management tools that actually push the PHP too, guys. That Lambda stack is something else, guys. It's very lean, it works. It may not be the most powerful stack in the world, but it does what it can do fast and what it needs for small, mid-sized companies, even some large companies who don't have a ton of traffic going to their WordPress website. It works great for them, guys. A lot of plugins, a lot of features, a lot of tracking. It does everything for you, especially for mid-sized companies. And guys, we have roughly about 17 million companies out there, and probably the bulk of them are going to be small and mid-sized companies. So that's a lot of WordPress sites out there, and a lot of work for you guys as far as just for freelancers, or you just want to make a little money on the side. There's lots of money out there for that, guys. So I know a lot of you developers want to be on the cutting edge. You want to be on the latest technology, the latest framework release, or latest programming language, and you feel like you're not there if you're using PHP. That's far away from the case, guys. I personally think the top 7 languages are going to be around longer than things were in the past, because you got the big Microsofts, the Oracles, who've backing these programming languages, and they're continually building them out because they have infrastructure, they have programs, applications that are running on these particular softwares. So I think they're gonna be long term around. And since Oracle kind of in that my PHP realm, and they know the importance of my SQL, and they know the importance of that relationship between PHP and my SQL, I think it's going to be here for a long time, guys. So at the end of the day, can you get a job with PHP? And the answer to that is yes. That's going to be number 2. It's actually in demand, guys. PHP is in demand. A lot of people want to actually hire PHP developers for integration with their WordPress site, their CRMs, and all that stuff like that, guys. And number 3 is the customer relationship databases. I'm going to kind of tie all this together, right? If you're dealing with a company infrastructure, let's just talk about the web Lambda stack. Usually you have everything online, cloud-based, or maybe on an on-prem server, but it's all through a web page. You log into that CRM, which is WordPress. It want to integrate into that customer relationship database, which is Sugar CRM, and they're able to put in all the information, be able to track it with Google Analytics, be able to send emails. All these are PHP websites or applications that are functioning in the cloud that they don't have to manage on-prem, guys. You don't think that's valuable to those companies to be able to do that? That's really going to put them in a position to do things faster. They can get people who know the language. Yes, it's not the fastest thing in the world, but guys, it all depends on results. You guys, if you watch enough of my videos, you know I'm results driven. A lot of companies think that way. Results driven. They can give a blank about the programming language. As long as it does the job and get them results in the time frame they want, don't cost that much money, and it's easy to implement, that's all they're concerned with. Do you have do your program language or your solution be able to provide that to you guys. So what does that mean? First of all, I think PHP is one of the top language when it comes to starting off from scratch learning. One of the first programming languages to learn. I think if you're going to learn a programming language first, either Python or PHP. In my mind, I think PHP would give you the direct job right away. Not that Python can't get you those jobs. It's just that I'm pretty sure for a small, medium-sized company that are not AI companies, that are not machine learning, that are not data science companies, I'm pretty sure they're going to be using PHP in some level or platform. And PHP actually gets you in the door to learn other advanced languages like C# or Java, and that's where the big money is for the enterprises, guys. But still, those concepts, the core knowledge that I push you guys to learn, and a lot of other developers or YouTubers push you to learn, you can learn those fundamentals with PHP. So is PHP a good idea? Yes. Start learning it now. If you can go get you a good tutorial online, get your portfolio, start to display your projects that you can do with PHP, it's going to be the right way to go, guys. You need to jump on that as soon as possible. Fill your portfolio out with PHP projects. Mix, something different projects where you integrating, doing web tools, you doing data validation, all the things that a good company is gonna need from their developers. So, guys, I want to open the discussions up. I want to start a community, not just a typical coding community, but we also talk about getting your job, taking your career to the next level, looking at the overall scale or the data center or the technology stack of a company, and just not focusing on functions, data types, and all of the detailed code. But we're going to be doing some of that, but we want to actually look at it as a whole, how you can provide value, how that translates to the job market, how that translates to providing value to the company, and how that translates to you getting a raise, living the lifestyle you want to live, and have the option and the flexibilities you want out of life. So, guys, like, subscribe to the content. Did I miss anything about PHP? Is it a bad idea? If so, tell me below. If it was up to me, start with PHP 2020. It's going to be around for a while. Again, start with WordPress, Sugar CRM, and any of the hosting platforms online. Guess what all of them using in their cPanel? PHP. So, guys, like, subscribe to the content. If you have additional questions, comment below. And I need you to do one more thing for me. Links are in the description box for my developer guide. 7 easy steps, and it's free, guys. So go ahead and click the link below and sign up. I'll see you guys in the community, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.